Hello everyone and welcome back to Mathematical Mindset. So right here guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you two methods that you can actually use to solve this ninth algebra math problem. So guys, let's get started. So let's simply dive into method 1. Alright, so the first thing guys you want to do, you want to simply get rid of this x root right here. So all you have to do is to multiply both sides with x right here with the power of x. So we have this right here and this is equals to 16. So multiply both sides with the power of x. So this is going to cancel out this. So we have 2 multiply the square root of 4 into the square root of 2, and this is equals to 16 raised to the power of x. So right here we want to simply square both sides. So squaring both sides, we have this to be 2 raised to the power of 2, multiply the square root of 4 into the square root of 2 or raised to the power of 2 is equals to 16 raised to the power of x multiplied 2, we have this to be 2x. So 2 raised to the power of 2, we have this to be 4 multiply. This is going to cancel out this, so we have 4 multiply the square root of 2, and this is equals to 16 raised to the power of 2x. So from here we have 4 multiply 4 is 16 root 2, which is equals to 16 raised to the power of 2x. So we want to simply square both sides one more time. So we have this to be 16 raised to the power of 2 multiply the square root of 2 or raised to the power of 2 is equals to 16 raised to the power of 2x multiply 2. So we have this to be 16 or raised to the power of 2 multiply. This is going to cancel out this, so we have this to be 2, and this is equals to 16 raised to the power of 4x. Now we can easily express 16 in terms of 2 as 2 raised to the power of 4. So hence we have this to be 2 raised to the power of 4 or raised to the power of 2 multiply 2 is equal to 2 raised to the power of 4 raised to the power of 4x. So from here we have 2 raised to the power of 4 times 2 is 8, multiply 2 raised to the power of 1, because if we have 8, this is the same thing as a raised to the power of 1, alright? So this is equals to 2 raised to the power of 4 times 4x will give us 16x. So applying this property that says a raised to the power of n multiply a raised to the power of n, this is equals to a raised to the power of n plus n. So applying this, we have 2 raised to the power of 8 plus 1 is equals to 2 raised to the power of 16x. So we have 2 raised to the power of 8 plus 1 is 9, which is equals to 2 raised to the power of what? 16x. Alright, now we have that if a raised to the power of m is equals to a raised to the power of n, then we have that m is equals to n. So applying this, we have this to be 9 is equals to 16x. So dividing both sides by 16 to isolate x, this is going to cancel out this. So we have that x is equals to 9 over 16, and this becomes the value of x. So right here guys, this is the first method that you can actually use to solve this nice algebra math problem. So right here, let's go quickly into method 2. So right here guys, for method 2, we have the question to be the x root of 2 into the square root of 4 into the square root of 2, and this is equals to 16, and we are to solve for x. Alright guys, but you want to know that if we have the root of a, this is equals to a raised to the power of 1 over 2, and also we know that 4 can be expressed as 2 raised to the power of 2. So from here we have that the square root of 2 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power of 1 over 2. Hence, we can easily rewrite the equation to be the x root of 2 into the square root. Now in place of 4, we're going to put 2 raised to the power of 2 multiply. Now for the square root of 2, we put 2 raised to the power of 1 over 2, and this is equals to 16. Right now, from the property of exponents, if we have a raised to the power of n multiply a raised to the power of n, this is equals to a raised to the power of n plus n. So applying this property right here, we have this to be the x root of 2 multiply the square root of 2 raised to the power of 2 plus 1 over 2, and this is equals to 16. So we have this to be the x root of 2 into the square root of 2 into, now the LCM there is 2, so we have this to be over 1. 1 into 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, plus 2 into 2, 1, 1 times 1 is 1, and this is equals to 16. So we have this to be the x root of 2 into the square root of 2 raised to the power of 5 over 2, and this is equals to 16. Now since we already know that the square root of a is equals to a1 to 1 over 2, so applying this, we have this to be the x root of 2 multiply 2 raised to the power of 5 over 2 multiply 1 over 2, and this is equals to 16. So from here we have this to be the x root of 2 multiply 2 raised to the power of 5 over 2 multiply 1 over 2, and this is equals to 16. So we have this to be the x root of 2 multiply 2 raised to the power of 5 times 1 is 5 over 2 raised times 2 is 4, and this is equals to 16. Alright, so here we know that this is raised to the power of 1, and if we apply the property that says a raised to the power of n multiply a raised to the power of n, this is equals to a raised to the power of n plus n, right? So applying this, we have this to be the x root of 2 raised to the power of 1 plus 5 over 4, and this is equals to 16. So we have this to be the x root of 2 raised to the power of the LCM there is 4, and this is over 1. So 1 into 4 is 4, 4 times 1 is 4 plus 4 into 4, 1 times 5 is 5, which is equals to 16. So we have this to be the x root of 2 raised to the power of 4 plus 5 is 9 over 4, and this is equals to 16. But we call this property that says if we have the nth root of x, this is equals to x raised to the power of 1 over n, right? So applying this, we have this to be 2 raised to the power of 9 over 4 multiply 1 over x, and this is equals to 16. So applying this, that is, if we have a raised to the power of n or raised to the power of n, this is equals to a raised to the power of n multiply n. So we have this to be 2 raised to the power of 9 over 4 multiply 1 over x, and this is equals to 16. But 16 can be expressed as 2 raised to the power of 4, right? So we have 2 raised to the power of 9 times 1 is 9, divide 4 times x is 4x, which is equals to 2 raised to the power of 4. Alright, so from here we have that if a raised to the power of m is equals to a raised to the power of n, then we have that m is equals to n. So applying this, we have this to be 9 over 4x is equals to 4. So if you cross multiply, we have this to be 9 is equals to 4 multiply 4x, and we have 9 is equals to 16x. So dividing both sides by 16 to isolate x, so this is going to cancel at x 16. So we have that x is equals to 9 over 16, and this becomes the value of x. So right here guys, this is the second method that you can actually use to solve this nice math problem right here. So with this guys, I'm going to see you in the next video, and do not forget to subscribe to Mathematical Mindset.